Good day and welcome to sales. We've got a beautiful 2004 GMC here. We're going to raise up the dump body here and show you how she goes. I'm raising this one all the way up. We're going to show you underneath this clean frame. She's been sandblasted, primed, and painted, ready to give it a nice second life, ready to go here. This unit is a 75-foot elevator. Just takes a regular driver's license to drive with hydraulic brakes. And a gross vehicle weight rating of 25,950. Beautiful under frame under here. Just looking nice, standing tall here today. Put this back down. It's a cold day here in Indiana. We're excited to get out here and show you this truck. Here's going to be an awesome money-making truck. 75-foot elevator. Here's a nice here 2004 GMC diesel. Got a Caterpillar engine, very nice scissor lift on it here. Let's take a look all the way around it here. Vented roof caps here in the back, nice big box. You got your trailer hookup right here. Nice panel hitch back here. Here's a nice 2004 GMC standing tall today and ready to go. I'm going to get under here. We're going to give you a special treat and have you take a look under the hood. Here's a nice empty truck here. Nice clean truck. Thank you for watching the video. Put all that back down together here. Put the downrigger up on this side. Nice, beautiful interior inside. Reupholstered seats, really looking nice here. Showing 159 on the miles. Windshield here, but we're going to replace that before we ship it out to you. 2004 GMC with a diesel engine. Just takes a regular driver's license to drive, pre-emission. Visit our website at www.99trucks.net. That's the 2 number 9s, 99 and the word trucks. That's TRUCKS.net.